Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abase. 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 The word abase is a verb that means to degrade, humiliate, or lower in rank, status, or dignity. It refers to the act of reducing someone's self-worth or esteem. Here are a few examples of how you could use abase in sentences. 1. The supervisor's habit of constantly criticizing his employees in public meetings served to abase their confidence. 2. It's not ethical to abase someone just to make yourself feel superior. 3. The bully's cruel words were intended to abase him in front of his classmates. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.